YouTube, this is KNG to the JEHU of Wall Street. So this is another good recap. Now this is already 11 p.m. of Monday, so gold market has already opened for Tuesday, and you see the prediction I gave last week that is running and is still running. No cap. We were expecting gold to get to 3,942, and this was where I called the entry. I gave the description of why the entry was here, and this is the before right on your screen, and this is the after. So yeah, so we're just going to be looking for sales this week until price gets to our target. And I don't even know what to even say safe, but anyways, I feel like this trade is still playing out, and it's already what I gave last week, so I don't think there's need to go into too much detail. But probably for next week we're going to do something. That's just what I can say, because I don't want to like tamper with what's already going on here. I know if I go down to lower time frame, obviously I'm going to get zones that price triggered and started moving, like this one that price hit ending last week before it opened this week and started selling, right? There's going to be a lot, but I don't think it's necessary to spoil it now. So catch me on next week's episode. This is about how many pips? Let me see. Okay, that's about 1,907 pips. Well, our full take profit is actually 2,384 pips. So until then, I'm not gonna have much to say. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch my previous video to see how we got this trade. Right, this 61 risk to reward. See you later.